May chance pa. Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile.
What's up guys? Ang dilim oh. No one can see us. There you go. So, madilim na dito guys at gabi na. No, I look zombie.
Ghost.
Hello.
White lady.
White lady. So, gabiin na diri guys at lalabas kami, pupunta kami ng plaza. Itutour namin kayo doon kung ano yung nandito sa plaza. Kasi festival din tomorrow guys, pero itutour namin kayo doon sa plaza.
Let's go!
So ayun guys, yung sasakyan yung dadalhin natin guys at thank God naayos na yung sasakyan natin. Our car is fixed.
Yes.
So thank God. Ayun,
thank you Lord.
Di maklaro guys. Come here, Olivia. Olivia, come here.
Is she okay? Proper? Olivia.
So, andito na si Olivia guys. At tara guys, tour na namin kayo dito sa Plaza Luz.
Wait lang.
So, kasama namin yung mama namin. Shout out sa mga...
Shout out to Olivia.
So, tara guys. Tour namin kayo guys at try din natin if may magustuhan sa na food.
Should we bring umbrella?
So, this one, the City Hall.
I look in my pajamas because that's how life is as a mom.
So, yun yung City Hall dito guys. Ito guys, oh.
No function hall.
Yan. Lagi. This one din ay mga executive function hall. At ito yung parang main guys na City Hall. Yan, City Hall.
Stop. You're always moving.
City Hall guys sa plaza. Connected lang sila. So dito na yun guys at ang dami ding tao guys. Dito na yung parang may taklubo dyan, yung mga may alam dito sa Pagadian guys. Ayan na dyan. Ang daming design dito guys, kaya ang ganda. Dyan yung may dyan yung may dancing fountain guys.
No. You pick ba? Ay na, you get inside.
So ayun guys, nandito na kami sa loob. We are here inside. So dito na kami sa loob guys. We are here inside. We go to the big Christmas tree. Ayun guys. What's your expectation? It's a lot of people, no?
Oh.
Ang daming tao guys, oh.
It's nice. It's like romantic.
That's what I'll do if you say goodbye.
ito yung malaking Christmas tree dito guys. Aira. So guys, ayun guys, yun lang yung parang na-tour namin dito. Pero tour pa namin kayo at next stop guys, doon na naman tayo sa food court. Food court na naman. So guys, ito na yung... Hala! Bigit picture kami, picture. Guys, ito na yung plaza guys. Ma-picture mo yung mali.
Dali. Hurry up. Cellphone. May chance pa.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile. Sapa, 1, 2, 3, okay.
Galing ha? Norway. Galing ha?
Thank you, Mayor.
Na-meet namin si Mayor Samiko. So, siya yung mayor dito sa Pagadian City. No?
Yeah.
Go. Ma. Aira. We go to the food court side. So dito yung food court guys. So ang daming tao. So ayun guys, gusto kumain na Aira ng ice cream. Oh, this one?
Yeah.
Aduan na lang ani. Guys, ice cream.
Ice cream. We have the same, no? Yeah. This is really good. This is yogurt with kiwi, strawberry.
And yeah, really good because it's really hard. No, it's really hard.
It's not like melted. It's like...
So guys, dito yung last na street food namin na mapapakita sa inyo guys. Gol. Sorry. Chicken Joy.
Yeah.
Tell them that is birthday.
Okay guys, thank you for watching today's vlog. It's just a short one. But we hope that you enjoy it now.
Yeah.
It's not become home. So guys,
Yeah. So yan lang yung vlog natin for today's guys. Kaya ayun, medyo nataas-taas din yung nalakad natin. At si Uliao medyo mabigat-bigat na din. Kaya masakit na yung likod natin.
It's already 9.
So tara guys. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.